how to add a testimonial slider to your Squarespace website. Now, this video is going to be a complete step-by-step tutorial. So if you follow along, by the end of this video, you will be able to add a testimonial slider to your Squarespace website. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is go to the first link in the description of this video. Go ahead and click on this, and that is going to take you over to this website called Elfsight. Now, Elfsight is a software that basically allows us to get access to tools and other widgets that we can't usually access with Squarespace. And this is what we are going to be using to add the testimonial slider to your Squarespace website. Now, the awesome thing about Elfsight is the fact that you can sign up for free. So all you need to do is enter your email right here, click on start, and then you will be able to go through and sign up for your account. Once you have your account, once you have signed up to Elfsight, what you then need to do is click in widgets in this top corner right here. And as you can see, it shows up with the best widgets. So all we then need to do is, by the way, you can scroll through here and you can see all of the widgets that you can use on Elfsight. So you can play around with these basically in your own time and test out what you like on the website. However, we are specifically looking for a testimonial slider. So just go ahead and search for that in this search bar. Once this shows up, you can see the testimonial slider is right at the top. So just go ahead and click into this. And it's then going to take us over to this section where we can choose which testimonial slider we want to go with. So I'm just going to go for this one right here. Then all we need to do, once you have selected your template, click on continue. And then you can go ahead and edit these. So just as an example, I will go into the top one. You can change the star rating right here. Then we can change the text. So just like that, we can change it to like subscribe to the channel or whatever you want. You can then change the name, the caption, the date added, and then the image, as well as you can add like their Facebook. So if people click into this, they will basically be taken through to that. Now, once you have done this for each individual review that you would like to add, and you can add as many of these as you like by just clicking add testimonial. Once these have all been added, all you then need to do is click on add to website for free. And it's then going to take you through to this area where it shows you like a quick preview of what this will look like. And up here, you should have a green button that says publish. Go ahead and click on that. And as soon as you do, it will take you through to this screen that asks you to choose a plan. Now, the plan that you want to go for depends on how many monthly website views that you get. So just go ahead, take a look how many website views you get and figure out a plan based on that. However, if you are new to Squarespace or if you just want to test this out, you can also go for the free plan right here. Now, as soon as you choose your plan, it's then going to take you through to this area where it gives you this piece of code. Super simple. All we need to do here is copy and paste. So first of all, we copy the code, then go back over to Squarespace, click on the edit section so that we can actually go in and edit the site. And then what we need to do is create a new section to add this in. So I'm going to add the testimonial slider in here. So we want to add section. Once this area opens up, make sure you go for blank section, super important, blank section right there. And then once the blank section is loaded in, and you can now see this, all we then have to do is click on add block in this top left corner. And then from this big area that opens up, you should see an option that says code. So click on the code option right here, and then it's going to load in like this little square. So what we need to do is double tap on this square. It's then going to load in with like a text box. So just delete this first piece of code, paste in exactly what we just copied. And as you can see, it's then going to load in. Now, this embedded script, it effectively means that while you're in the editing stage, you can't see like the final thing. So it doesn't really matter. Just make sure that it's positioned in the middle and it's the size that we want it to be. And then all we need to do in order to actually see this and get rid of this is click on save and exit. So this is how it's actually going to look when somebody goes to your website. You can see that the colors are a little bit messed up here. So, okay, this is because the background of the website is black. So what we can then do is, I'll just show you quickly, is if you have an issue like this where like it's the wrong colors, is we can literally just go back in and edit the widget to make it fit the website. So I'm just going to go from light to dark. Click on publish. And then all we would have to do here is refresh the website. And then, as you can see, this is now fixed and we can actually read this. So that is how you can add a testimonial slider to your Squarespace website.